Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 powerful ways you can use ChatGPT, and it will be a step-by-step video to save time, boost productivity and even make money in 2025. So whether you are a student, business owner or just curious about AI, by the end of this video you will know exactly how to start using ChatGPT like a pro. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. So first step, I'm going to talk about content creation. So first start with that. So ChatGPT can help you write blog posts, YouTube script, social media captions and more in minutes. Here is how. You just need to open the ChatGPT. Here actually you can see we already open it, and ChatGPT giving us introduction of ChatGPT 5. ChatGPT has more has our smartest, fastest, most useful model yet with thinking built in, so you can get the best answer every time actually. So here you just need to type write 1,000, like here write 1,000 word blog post about about healthy breakfast recipes for busy professional. And here you just need to hit the enter and you will get 1,000 word of blog post in here actually. So let's give you a tip. Like here ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete article, but if you know the tip, then here it will give you more opportunity or advantage. I can say that be specific in your prompts, mention tone, style and audience. You can even ask it to write or rewrite or expand the content. This is perfect if you run a website, need quick content ideas or want to save hours of writing time. Now let's talk about the learning and research. So second, learning and research. ChatGPT can break down complex topics into simple explanation. For example, you can say, let's say you are learning about blockchain technology, and here we just need to hit enter, and you just need to write that one, explain blockchain technology to me like I am 12 years old. They will give you easiest one you can understand. Like here you already get this one. Let's say you are learning about blockchain technology, and here you get the approach. Now I will write another one, that explain blockchain technology to me like I am 12 years old. And you just need to be hit enter, and alright, imagine this, you can you will get the easiest one, so you can understand that easily. ChatGPT will give a simple, clear explanation. You can also ask follow-up questions like give me real world examples or blockchain or summaries. This research paper in 2,000 words. This is great for student researchers or anyone trying to learn new skill quickly. Now let's talk about the business and marketing. So if you own a business, ChatGPT can be your 24/7 marketing assistant. Like, let me give you an example. Like, ask it to write email campaign for your products or generate catchy ad headlines for Facebook or Instagram, or you can create product description for your online store. For example, the prompt I'm going to give you, that is write 5 catchy headlines for a summer sale on fitness equipment. And here you can see I just need to hit enter and then I will get that one. ChatGPT can also help you brainstorm offers, plan social media calendars, and even write video sales script for you. So here you can see the result. It is an amazing thing. So now let's talk about coding and tech help. ChatGPT is amazing if you're a beginner programmer or need quick code fixes. For example, you can ask to write a Python to scrap product price from Amazon. Like, let's say I'm going to give that one, write a Python script to scrap product price from Amazon. And here actually you can see you just need to be hit enter. It will give you the code instantly. Here you can see the eventual result. Also, you can also paste your code and ask it to debug errors. If you're not into coding, you can still use it to generate website text, create chatbot script, or help automate repetitive tasks. You can make money online by using ChatGPT also. There are multiple ways to do, like you can offer freelancing writing service on Fiverr or Upwork using ChatGPT to speed up your work. Then you can start a blog and create content faster to rank on Google. You can sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or guides generated with ChatGPT. For example, you can say write 30 pages, like here, write 30 page, write a 30 page ebook about home gardening for beginners. Like here 30 page is quite heavy, so I will say 3 page, and then you just need to hit enter and you have a draft ready to edit and sell it. Like here you can see it. The key is to combine ChatGPT speed with your own expertise for the best result. So let me give a pro tips here. That is, be specific in your prompts, work answer, and use follow-up questions to refine the result. And then you can combine ChatGPT with other tools like Canva, Excel, or WordPress to bigger impact. Always review and edit it. AI output before publishing or selling. And that's it. Those are 5 step-by-step ways you can use ChatGPT starting today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you are planning to use ChatGPT in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.